In front of me is iPhone 16 and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Passwords Autofill. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling all the way down to tap on Apps. Then you need to scroll down again to tap on Password. Scroll all the way down to click on Open Passwords, and finally, after entering your screen lock, click on this plus icon at the bottom right corner. Then input all of those informations. At the top, any website, app or label. Then username, email or phone number, password, and even some helpful notes. When you finish, hit save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe.